this video, we'll be seeing how to implement HLS video player with automatic and manual quality switching. So here you can see the player. This is the demo, and you can see we are having the quality switching options. You can see we are having an automatic option, and you can also manually select the quality. And here, if you go to the networks tab, here you can see that the quality is getting switched according to the network speed. So let's reduce the network speed and check. So now you can see that the quality switched from 180p to 480p when we reduce the network speed. So we reduce the network speed from here. On the network tab, we can reduce the speed of the network by adding a throttling option here. So let's increase the network speed and check if it is increasing the video quality also. So let's make it 4G fast. And you can see the quality is switching to 720p. And let's remove the throttling, no throttling. So you can see the video has completely loaded. So that's why new files are not getting loaded. So we can try refreshing the page. And now you can see the video is being loaded using the 180p quality option. If you try to reduce the network quality, let's make it fast 3G and refresh the page. You can see the quality option that is loading is 480p. So the video's quality option switches automatically according to the network speed. And we are also having an manual quality option. So let's change the quality manually. So let's go to here and change the manual. So we are changing the quality manually to 720p. And let's open the network tab. And here, now you can see the video quality is 720p and it is not changing. So if you reduce the network speed also, it is not going to change because we have manually set the video quality to 720p. So let's increase that to no throttling, and you can see the video quality is not increasing also because we have manually set the video quality to 720p. So hope you understand what we are going to do in this video. So we'll be implementing this video player using HLS, and we'll be also adding this quality options. So that's what we are going to do in this video. So now you can see that I have opened an IDE and we are having some files inside this. So I'll provide these files on the description and you can download it. So this is the video converter. So now we'll be having two parts. The first part will be converting the MP4 file to HLS supported version. And then we'll be implementing the player. So you can see in this folder, I have opened a folder inside the IDE, that is PHP Storm. You can use any IDE. I'm going to use PHP Storm. And inside that you can see some folders and files. So this is for the converter, and we'll be implementing the player inside the index.php. So I'll be showing the code implementation for the player only. So if you're already having the video file, that is the HLS format, you can skip this part where we are going to convert the MP4 file to HLS format. So if you don't know how to convert MP4 to HLS format, you can follow along with this video. So you can see that we are having some folders and files. So you can download that from the description. I'll give the link to download this on the description. You can check that and download the files. So after downloading the project, you'll be getting something like this. You'll be having an assets folder and FFmpeg folder. Inside that we'll be having the exe file of the FFmpeg. You have to keep it there. And then we are having the log files. When you face any error, you can check this log file and you'll be seeing the error here. Okay, and we are having this log file, and this is for showing the progress. So I will explain that later on. And then we are having the vendor folder and then the video folder. And inside the video folder, we'll be keeping the raw videos, that is the MP4 video. Inside this assets folder, you can see another folder that is video, and inside that we are having the key and video. So this folder, that is the video, is the name of the video. So you can give the name of the video here. So if you are having some name like, for example, if you are converting the video for installing Android Studio, so you can give the name install Android Studio or something like that for this folder. So hope you understand that. And then inside that we'll be having the key to play the video files, and inside the video files we'll be having the converted.ts files and also the .m3u8 files. So all the files will be inside this folder. Okay. So we have to convert the video, that is the video.mp4, inside this folder and save it to this folder. Okay. So for that, we have already created this file, that is HLS create.php, and inside that you can see some code here. So you can see this. So if you don't have the converted HLS format video, you have to download this source code. I'll give the link for this, and you will be getting this kind of a website, and inside that you will be having the download option. Click the download option and you'll be having a small payment, and then you can download the files. So after downloading, you have to come to this file, and here you can see we are saving the keys to this folder, and we are saving the URL to access the key here. So this is the URL to access the key, and this is the place where we are going to save the key. Okay. When we are generating the key, we are going to save it to this file name. Okay. And this one will be going to the .m3u8 file. So I'll show you after converting, and this is for the log, and this is the place where we are specifying the file name. You can see inside the folder video, that is this folder, and then inside that we are going to specify the file name, that is video.mp4, and that is this video. Okay. And after that you can see we are creating a progress bar also, and we are specifying the video codecs and audio, and after that we are going to list all the quality options. These are the list of all the quality options. So this is the 144p, and all the quality options you can see, full HD, 4K, you can see all the quality options, and then we are going to use specific quality options from this list. Okay. And here you can see we are only using 3 quality options, that is 480p, 720p and 180p. You can add all the quality options according to your needs. Okay. Simply give a comma here and add the next quality option. Okay. That's all. Here you can see that we are encrypting the video files. You can see save to and the URL. You can see we are passing 1. That means we are going to encrypt the video files with 1 key for each. So you can see we are going to save the key to this destination. So you have to specify the destination properly. You can see I am specifying the folder like SAMP, htdocs, and then the folder that I have created. And then inside that you can see the assets folder, this one. And then we are having the video, you can see this one. And then the key folder, that is this one. Then the file name, that is video.key. And that will be created when we run this. So hope you understand this folder name. So you have to change the folder name according to your placement. So if you are using this inside a server, you have to change the path accordingly. And this is the URL. So you have to specify the URL properly. So if you try to access this file after converting, if you try to access this file, you'll be able to download the key directly. You can also add authentication to this URL. That is up to you, but we are not going to add authentication and all. So that's it. So hope you understand this code. So you can simply download the code, and you can change this path and change this path accordingly. So you have to install the SAMP. If you are going to do this inside a local host, simply install SAMP inside your drive. You can see I have installed the SAMP inside C drive, and you can see we are having a folder inside the C drive, that is SAMP. And then we are having the htdocs folder, and then the project folder name. So hope you understand that. And after that, we are going to save this to this folder, that is assets, video, and the video.m3u8. And if you go to the assets, you can see assets, video, and inside that we are having the video, and inside that we'll be creating this file. Okay. So hope you understand this code. If you are having any doubt, you can simply leave a comment and I'll respond to them. So that's all with the conversion code. Now we'll be running this and converting the video file. So we'll be converting this .mp4 to the HLS format. So if you are already having a HLS converted video file, you can simply skip this part. I will try to give the timestamp so you can easily skip this video portion. So let's convert the video file. So let's open this convert.html, and here you can see some basic stuff, UI part, and the progress bar and all. You can see we are calling this file here. So let's try to run this. So now when you try to run this file, you can see we are inside the localhost / the folder name, that is the project name, project folder name, and then convert.html. Okay, so you have to open this, and inside that we'll be having this kind of a UI. And you can simply click this button, that is convert MP4 to M308 button, and the video, that is the video.mp4 inside the video folder, will be converted to the respective format, that is the M308 format. And you can also see the progress bar here. Okay, so now let's try to click this. So if you are downloading the source code, you simply have to extract the zip file and place the folder inside the SAMP, and then you can access the URL like localhost / the folder name, that is HLS -player- with automatic and manual quality / then the file name, that is convert.html. Okay, so you have to access this and then click on the button. Now you can see the progress bar is moving. So let's wait for the conversion to complete. You can see 1%, 2%, 3%. So it is the progress. Let's wait for it to complete. So now you can see that the conversion is completed. You can see conversion completed 100%. So the progress bar shows the conversion. And after converting, you can go to the folder, open the IDE, and you can see inside the video folder, you can see the converted video. You can see the video quality formats. See, so we are having the M3U8 file, video.m3u8, and inside that we are having 3 quality options. And you can see inside that we are having the key URL. See, this is the URL to access the key. See, you can see the URL to access each key. So that's why we specified the URL like that. Okay, so the files, when we are trying to play the video, we'll be trying to access this key file, and it will be playing the video. So hope you understand that. So let's close this, and inside the key folder you can see the keys. So this is the one video. So this is one video, okay, one single video. So the one single video has this much keys and also this much video files. Okay, so hope you understand that. This is one single video. So one single video is going to have key and also video. And after that, we can play the video. So now the conversion part is done. So hope you understand how to convert the video. You simply have to download the source code and just change the folder name. If you are going to use this exactly like this inside the SAMP installation, you simply don't have to change anything. You can simply do it like this. Okay. So if you are going to use it somewhere other than the SAMP installation, you can change the directory accordingly. And then here we have to specify the video file. So if you are not going to change the video file also, you can simply use the demo video that I have provided, and you can test the source code, and after that you can change the video. Okay. Then after that you can see the save to path. So this is the path where we are going to save the files, that is assets, video and video. So hope you understand. So that's all with the conversion part of the video, that is MP4 to M3U8. So let's close this file and let's move to the video player section. So now we'll be implementing the video player. So we'll be playing the video, that is the converted video.m3u8, and we'll be implementing the quality option, etc. So for the video player, we are going to use this player, that is player.io, plyr.io, and you can go to the GitHub page. You can see this is the GitHub page for the video player, and let's scroll down, and here you can see the CDN link for the JavaScript and the CSS file. So let's copy that. Let's copy the CSS first, and let's open an HTML tag. Inside that, let's add an head tag, and inside that we can paste this link. Okay, so this is the CSS part, and now we have to paste the JavaScript file. So scroll to the top and you can see the CDN for the JavaScript. So copy this. Okay, you don't need this one, you can copy this one. Okay, copy that, and we can paste it inside the body tag. So after the head tag, you can create a body tag, and at the bottom you can paste this. Okay, now we need to add the HLS. So let's go to HLS, And for the HLS, you can go to the GitHub page of HLS. I'll give the link for all these on the description. You can simply click that and go to this respective GitHub page. And inside this, you can simply scroll down and access the CDN page. So you can see here, this is the CDN link. So you can copy just the CDN link. Okay, we simply need the CDN link. So this is it. Okay, you can add at latest, not one, at latest. Okay, so let's paste that, and you can paste that here. Okay, you can see we are having the player CSS file and the JavaScript file. Then we are also having the HLS file. And after that, we can start a script tag. And inside that, we'll be implementing the video player. So before that, you can go after the body tag. Inside the body tag, you can add this, that is a div. And we are giving a width that is 700 pixel and also height to auto. And you can see we are having a video tag. So we'll be using this ID to fetch the video tag, or we'll be using this element, and then we'll be adding the player, that is the styling, to the video element, and also implementing the HLS. So you can see we are having a video tag with an ID, and also the controls are enabled. Okay, so that's it. You simply have to add this 4 lines, and after that you can come inside this script tag. Now you can follow along with me. So type document dot add event listener, and we are going to add the listener DOM content loaded. So after loading everything, so let's add a quote, DOM content loaded, give a comma after that, and you can start the function like this and start it like this. Okay, and inside this, here to create a var for the player. So var, or you can use let player, and we can also add the source. So var source equal to, source means the video file URL. Okay, so the video is inside this assets video, and inside the video folder we are having video.m3u8. So we can specify that here. So add a code like this, assets slash. You can see we are now inside the assets folder. We are having one more video folder and then one more video folder. So we are having 2 video folders, video slash video. And after that, give a slash, and we are having the file that is video.m3u8. So let's type that here, video.m3u8. So that's the source URL. Okay, so you can access the source like this. Okay, since we are having the files inside this assets. Okay, that's why we are accessing it like this. Okay, so hope you understand the basics of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So after that, you can access the video element. So let's create a constant video equal to, and we can get the video element by document dot query selector, and inside that we can give the tag name that is video. Give a semicolon. You can also use get element by ID and also use the element ID that is given, that is the player. Okay, you can use get element by ID and give the ID player. Okay, hope you understand that. And after that, we can create a constant for the quality options. That is the default options. We will be adding the quality to that. So I will show you after this. So let's create a constant default options equal to, open the curly braces, and after this we have to create an if condition. If HLS dot is supported. Okay, dot is supported. Now if HLS is supported, we can execute what we are going to do. Otherwise we can do something else. Okay, and if HLS is supported, we are going to add the player, etc. So let's create the constant constant HLS, new HLS. Then we can load the source. For that, HLS dot load source. Now we can pass the source, that is the var source. So we can pass it source, and then we can add HLS dot on. We are going to add a listener, HLS dot event dot manifest parsed. Give a comma and start the function, and you can pass event and data. Open the function, and inside this we are going to create a constant for available qualities. So we'll be storing the available qualities to this constant. So constant available qualities, and you can access the qualities like HLS dot level, levels dot map, and inside that you can get the L dot height. Okay, and now you can add one more quality, that is we are going to add one more quality, that is the auto option. Okay, by default we'll be getting the 480p, 720p and 180p that we have added to this video. So you can see in this video we are having only 3 options. See, so we'll be getting all these options. So if you are having more than 3, we'll be getting more than 3. So right now we are only having 3, so that means we are having that 3 options here. So now we have to add one more option, that is for the automatic option. So for that you can add available qualities dot unshift, add a 0, and after that you can call default options dot quality equal to, open this curly braces, and inside that we are going to set default equal to 0. Okay, it's not equal to, you have to use the colon 0, give a comma, and then the options will be available qualities, give a comma, and the next one will be forced equal to true. Okay, so that's enabling the manual quality option. And then we have to add an option to change the quality. So on change, you can call a function that is something like update quality, and you can pass the quality. You will be getting the quality, that is E. Okay, now you can see we are not having this function, so you have to create this function. So for that you can copy this name, and after this is supported, okay, this if condition, after this if condition you can come here and create a function update quality, and you can receive the new quality here. Okay, and open the function, and you can leave it there for now. Okay, we'll be coming back to this function later on. So let's go on a flow. So we are here, right? Okay, so let's hit enter, and now we have to add one thing, that is default options dot I18n equal to, and you can, we are going to add automatic quality option. Okay, so for that quality label the colon, and you can start it, and here we are going to assign 0. For the 0th label we are going to add the option, that is auto. Okay, so what we are going to give here will be displayed there. Okay, for the automatic quality option, give a comma, and give a comma here also. And after that, we are not going to have any other thing. So that's it. So after that, we are going to initialize the player. Now we are going to implementing the player, that is the player.io, that part. This is the UI part. Okay. So for that, player equal to, we are going to initialize the player, that is we are having a player here. Okay, var player. So now we are going to initialize new plyr. So this is the class which is inside this JavaScript. Okay, and we can pass the video tag, that is the video tag. You can see on the top we are having the video tag here, and you can pass that. Then you can pass the default options. Give a semicolon. So now our player is ready. You can also, after this, you can give a semicolon here, and we can call HLS dot attach media, and inside that we can pass the video tag. Okay, give a semicolon. Now we can assign the HLS to window dot HLS equal to HLS. Okay, so now we can access this HLS here inside this function. Now we can come inside this function, that is update quality, and here we have to check if the new quality is equal to 0. If it is equal to 0, we'll be assigning the window dot HLS dot current level. Okay, current level equal to -1. Okay, now this will be the automatic quality option, and if it is not 0, give an else part, window dot HLS, and we are going to access the levels dot, we are going to add a for each. We are going to loop through all the quality. So we are having 3 quality for this video, so we'll be looping through them. Level, give a comma, and level index, and inside this you can check if level dot height. Okay, level dot height is equal to new quality, that is the variable that we are passing. If it is equal to the new quality, we are going to set the current level to index, that is the level index. So for that, window dot HLS dot current level equal to level index, give a semicolon, and that's it. So the coding part is completed. Now we can try running this application. So for that, we can access the index.php. So let's go to the browser. So here we have to change this convert.html and add it to index.html, index.php. Okay, so now we can see that the video player has loaded, and let's check the quality option first, and we can see that the quality option is not showing. Let's try playing the video, and we can see the video is getting played, but the quality option is not coming up. So let's go to the code, and we can check the code. I think, okay, you can see here, instead of forced, we have given focused. Okay, that was a typo. So let's change it to forced. Okay, we are changing the quality and setting it to forced. Okay, so by default the HLS will be automatic, so that's why we are setting it to forced. And now we can go to the browser, and let's refresh this page, and let's check the quality option, and now you can see the quality option is there. We are having the automatic option and the manual quality options, that is 480p, 720p, and full HD. Okay, so let's play the video, and you can see the quality is getting switched automatically. So let's go to the network tab and check it. Go to the network tab and let's refresh this page. And you can see everything is in 180p because I'm using a Wi-Fi. So let's add a throttling. So let's add 4G slow. And let's refresh this page. And you can see the video quality is 480p. And it changed to 720p. Hope you can see this. So I'm not having a zoom option for this. So hope you can see the quality changing. So hope you understand. Let's change it to not throttling, and you can see the video quality changed to 180p at the bottom. See this one. See, hope you can see that. Okay. So that's it. So hope you understand the automatic quality option is working right now. Now we can try the manual quality option. So we're going to set it to 480p. Okay. And let's go to the network tab. And okay, we have to refresh the page. So you can see everything is in 480p, even though we are having no throttling option. Okay. And I'm using Wi-Fi. So let's reduce the size of the video player. So let's zoom out a bit, and now you can see the video player and also the network tab. Okay. So now we can change the quality to 720p, and you can see the quality changed here on the network tab. Okay. And you can also play the video and check. See, you can see the video quality is also switching. See, if you go to here, you can see the quality switching. Okay. And also on the network tab, you can see. And we are also having the key. See, we are loading key for each segment. Okay. So for each segment, we are having a different key. So hope you understand that. So that's all with the implementation. So if you are having any doubt regarding this video, you can simply leave a comment below and I'll respond to all the comments. And if you want to download the complete source code, you can come to this URL. I'll give the link for this on the description. You can come to this URL and I will upload the source code here. So right now I haven't uploaded. You can simply come here and you can download it from here. So right now the page is not having a search option. So you have to navigate it here. And I will give the direct link. So you can simply come to the exact download page. So you don't have to come to the list of all the downloads. And you can come to that from the description. And you can come to this page from the description and you can simply download it using the download option. And after downloading, you simply have to run it and that's it. So simply keep it inside the SAMP and simply run the file. That's all. So everything will be ready to plug and play. Okay. You can change the video and you can create a new video file and simply play your video right here. Okay. So you'll be having the quality option and everything. Okay. So the player is ready. So hope you understand how to do this. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more such videos.